Well, welcome back to the Sawmill, friends. It's redbud winter here in Tennessee. It's about 32 degrees this morning, but tomorrow it's supposed to be 75. Crazy weather. So before we get started today, and we have a lot going on, I want to show you guys what I went and picked up over the weekend over in North Carolina. Friends, here's the newest tractor here at the Sawmill. This is a TYM T25. Has the front end loader there, of course. Also has the mowing deck. We'll talk about that in just a second. So this front end loader here does have the quick attach connectors right there, so you can put pallet forks on here or grapple. It has a 25 horsepower Yanmar engine. I think it's actually 24.7, but we're gonna call it 25. This tractor is four-wheel drive, power steering, has a lot of nice accessories, has cup holders right here, USB ports. Also has something really interesting, is a wireless charger. So you take that off and drop your cell phone in there and it charges it. That's nice. I wish the other tractors had that actually. So here's the joystick for the front end loader, and it does come pre-wired for third function. There's your two buttons right there. I may or may not put third function on this, I don't know. To see what happens down the road on that. Has the ropes bar right there for the rollover protection. Has some nice work lights right here as well. A nice seat with armrest. Toolbox on the back. It does have power takeoff. I think it's about 18 horsepower on the power takeoff right there. So right here, friends, is one of the major reasons we got this tractor. I was needing a new mower this year. My old lawn tractor bit the dust last season. So I wanted a tractor with a good sized mowing deck, and that one right there is 60 inches. Now this tractor has a hydrostatic transmission. There's the forward and reverse pedal. Got the brake on the other side. It also has cruise control. All kinds of stuff, guys. More stuff than I've probably found on. I need to read the owner's manual. There's your gear selector, there's your PTO, there's your four-wheel drive. Over here you have the throttle. Out here on the loader, it has your level indicator so you know when your bucket is level. Also has a brush guard on the front to protect it. Nice stuff, friends. Everything you get on a large tractor is pretty much on this smaller one right here as far as the accessories and the capabilities that are within the weight limit of this machine. So guys, Dad's on his way over. We're gonna work on the timber frame this morning for a few hours, put up some more metal, and then we're gonna head up to the sawmill and finish up that white oak and some more pine.